Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.